Hello friends, Running Kimono here. I hope you're all doing fantastic. We have 3 freebies in today's video. OMG. And cheap Halloween candy. I know a lot of you have been asking for it, and we're going to do it curbside too tomorrow. So I've got your Halloween covered. At the very end of the video, we're going to look at a couple scenarios with the 5 back when you spend 15 if you might have it. If you received this booster on your account, you didn't get the store coupons or the Walgreens coupons that are making a lot of items for free, because my second account that didn't get this is getting all these crazy Walgreens coupons that you can stack with the manufacturers. And we'll show you those in a quick second. But if you're like, I haven't gotten anything forever, well, you better check for these Walgreens store coupons, because you might get enough to make a bunch of little freebies. And I got it on my main card, but my husband's didn't get it. We dive into this, guys, if you guys can do me a huge kindness and please give the video a big enthusiastic thumbs up. It is my birthday week. I would so appreciate it, and I would be so grateful. And if you could hype up the video, that would be extra cool. Okay, so let's get right into it with the first freebie. It must be on the Tresemme shampoo, not the hairspray. $5 reward when you buy 2. This is the Walgreens coupon. See how it says my Walgreens coupon? Only certain accounts got it. Typically, if you didn't get that stupid booster of the 5 back when you spend 15, these are popping up on those accounts that aren't seeing so much love. So load this one right away for this deal. And we also have this manufacturer. So you can stack that store with this manufacturer. That's $9 off, friends. So very easy deal. 2 of the $6 shampoos is 12, subtracting the digital and the store coupon, which is the 4 off 2. Your mileage may vary if you might get that one, yes or no. You're going to pay 3, get back a $5 register reward, making this free plus a $2 moneymaker. If you're doing this deal with no booster, no 5 back when you spend 15, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to earn that register reward. Just to show you guys, it did in fact work. Everything was perfect this morning, even though the app was really messed up on my husband's, on my main, which is my cell phone. No problems, no issues. I could load everything, check everything, and the register rewards and all the coupons, everything rang up properly at the register. Next freebie that we have is a lot of the hair dye is on clearance, and this is 50% off for the Garnier Ultra Cream. I love those conditioners inside these hair dyes, so that's why I picked it up. $4 reward when you purchase 2 of these products. It's right below that clearance sticker. We have a $4 manufacturer and a $2 Walgreens coupon. So scan the barcode. Are these 2 attaching? 2 of these dyes on clearance is $11.98, subtracting the $4 store coupon and the $4 manufacturer. That's $8 off. You're going to pay $3.98. And then you're getting back a $4 register reward, essentially making the 2 boxes of dye completely free. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster, but I know a lot of us have seen those hair dyes at various stores living rent-free in that section there with all the dye. So, I mean, if you can line this up perfectly, look at this gorgeous $4 register reward that printed. So I am like super happy with this. The last freebie that we have, it has to be the Dove whole body. That squeezy tube or the can of spray, that's $10 this week. We have a $3 register reward when you purchase 2. And again, we have goofy store coupons or Walgreens coupons and manufacturers that are in fact populating in certain accounts. It's not every account, and I hate saying that because there's going to be a lot of people furious with me in the comments. I don't pick who gets what, guys. It's the store. So just to show you, we have that 4 off of 1 for the Dove, and that's the store coupon, and the one below is for the manufacturer. And I had the hardest time photographing all of this because it looked like the coupons vanished. The best thing to do is to throw 2 into your digital cart and then see, like, is it there, is it not there? And if it is in fact coming off $18 off for you, I mean, do the deal in the store, but if you're only getting 1, you probably only have 1 of the coupons. This deal very quickly. 2 of the Dove whole body is $20, subtracting that $4 store coupon times 2, that's $8 coming off, and the 10 off 2, you're going to pay 2, get back a $3 register reward, essentially making this friend completely free and a $1 moneymaker. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster, but what a deal to get deodorant completely free. We haven't seen this in a long time. Make it happen. This next deal I love. I love the L'Oreal Elvive line, and I know a lot of you do as well. 2 for $11, $4 reward when you buy 2. We also have this magic that showed up this morning, which is a 3 off 2 digital coupon. So please make sure you load it. And the deal is pretty easy. Grabbing 2 of these for 11, subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay 8. Get back a $4 register reward, making it $4 for the 2 or $2 per Elvive. If you're doing this deal with no booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to earn that register reward. And just to show you guys, it printed, so I'm really happy with this because I love cheap L'Oreal Elvive. The next deal, if you want to stock up on paper, and I kind of thought it would work out this way, and it is working out this way. You're going to grab 1 Scott toilet paper and 1 Scott paper towel, and we got $1 off of each. Did they know this was our Christmas and birthday today? Well, they must have known it was mine, and now they're giving it to all of you guys. $7.50 for the 2, subtracting $2 in digitals. You're paying $5.50 for the 2 or $2.75 per unit. Stock up on the paper. Aunt Rach says so. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. This one, you're either going to go with the Crest or the Oral-B brushes at $3.50, $3 reward when you buy 2. And this friend is in fact attaching, which is a 3 off 2 manufacturer coupon. So please make sure you have it loaded for this deal. 2 of the toothpaste is going to be $7. Subtracting that digital coupon, you'll pay 4. Get back a $3 register reward, making it $1 for 2 or 50 cents per unit. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. And if you are traveling, that little compact hard toothpaste, its container is really great for traveling if you're flying or driving the distance. The worst thing is when one of those tubes explodes in the back of your car with all of your toiletries. Oof, I hate that. And now we're looking at the Dove shampoo. Some of you might have a high value store coupon to accompany this. I don't have it on either of my accounts. This is the manufacturer. This is the 4 off 2. If you also have a store coupon to go with it, I think it's an extra $2 off. It's going to be a freebie for you. Grabbing 2 of these Dove shampoos, subtracting that digital coupon, you'll pay 6. Get back a $4 register reward, making it $1 per unit. Again, double, triple check if you might have that store coupon or the Walgreens coupon. Much better deal. If you're doing this deal with no booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to earn that register reward. Go and make it happen. This deal I absolutely love. To grab 1 of the Colgate brushes and then 1 paste. Alternatively, if you're like, I want mouthwash, you can grab a paste and a mouthwash because they're also $4.50 this week. Select Colgate mouthwashes. So we have these 2 gorgeous $2 off of a paste and $2 off of a Colgate product, such as a brush or a mouth rinse. Grabbing 2 of these products this week, it's going to be $9, subtracting $4 in digitals. You're going to pay 5. Get back a $4 register reward, making it $1 for 2 or 50 cents per unit. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster, but go and make it happen, guys. Like, what a fantastic deal to stock up on this stuff, especially if you, make little stockpile gifts for Christmas. You would have the whole thing of dental care there with the toothpaste and mouthwash. Okay, now we're going to talk about this friend. The 5 back when you spend 15, only select accounts got it. The first Halloween matchup I have for you is to grab one of these $5.99 Skittles, and they are the fun sizes. I will be really honest with you guys. If you buy Skittles or anything with a gummy consistency, so much cheaper than chocolate right now because the chocolate is very expensive. Haribo, the Gold Bears are $4.99, also on buy one get one free. So 4 of the Haribo Gold Bears and then 2 of the Skittles. That's a lot of candy. It would be buy one get one free on all these products. So that's 6 altogether. Make sure you have that digital booster loaded. The total here is $15.97. Pay that with your debit card. Or if you might have manufacturer register rewards, say from Tresemme or any deal that we showed you at the beginning of this video, use them. You're getting back $5 of Walgreens cash, making it $10.97 for the 6 or $1.82 per bag of candy. Do not use any Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, but what a deal. The next deal with this, we are going to grab 4 bags of the Reese's pumpkins on a buy one get one free at $6.99, which is still a bit. To get the math to math, $1.99 pumpkin, maybe a treat for you or for your favorite grandkid. So 4 of these Reese's is $13.98, and then a Misk candy for $1.99. Have your booster loaded, pay $15.97 with your debit card, get back $5 in Walgreens cash, making it $10.97 for the 5 or $2.19 per unit. Do not use Walgreens cash to pay, as you're using the booster of spend $15 to earn back $5. And yeah, that chocolate is expensive right now. And we're going to look at more deals tomorrow with the candy. Another superb deal is the 88-cent freezer bags. It's the Walgreens JCPenney generic. Very similar to Ziploc, if not the same quality, probably made in the same factory. The final deal that we're looking at for all of you Tide lovers, or you like the fancy stuff, this one's for you. You're going to need your Best Friend Loaded, which is the 5 back when you spend $15. And this is of a one-time use, so pick and choose wisely which deal you wish to do. We're going to grab a pod, a liquid, a bounce dryer sheet, and then some sort of softener, and load these for friends. That is $6 in digital coupons. That is rich with 10 exclamation marks. 4 of these P&G laundry care products would be $21.96. Subtracting $6 in digital coupons. Have your booster loaded to your card. You're going to pay $15.96 with your debit card. Get back a $4 register reward and $5 in Walgreens cash, making it $6.96 for the 4 or $1.74 per product. Do not use any Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, as you're using the booster of spend $15 to earn back $5. That's it for this video, guys. As always, thank you so much for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.